So hey friends, it's time to announce Lolapalooza 2022.
She's lost. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So this is going to be the 5th annual Lolapalooza, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be held October 20th through the 23rd at Abilene State Park. That's the same place we had it last year. It worked out really well because they have a huge big wagon wheel with a meeting hall in the middle, and that way everybody from the entire campground had a place to gather and a place, if it was to rain or something, to get out of the rain and still be together. So we're going to do that again. If you're not familiar with the Lolapalooza, I'm going to drop a couple of links below to past ones so you can get an idea of what goes on there. But basically, it's just a gathering of nomads, outdoor enthusiasts, and kind people who just like to get together and have a good time. We have all sorts of activities, and some people attend every single activity, and other people just attend the ones that interest them. So it's just a lot of fun, a lot of coming and going. This year we're going to have quite a bit on our itinerary, so I think it's going to keep everybody a lot busier than we were last year. So that'll be fun. So just a few of the events that we have planned are our usual potluck Saturday meal, and we're going to do the Gypsy Pear Cooking Challenge again. And RV Rebel Girl has agreed to do dance parties and movie nights for us. So it's just going to be so much fun. We do the bike parade every year, and that is just a blast. So if you have an e-bike or a bicycle, bring that. And if you want to decorate it, and then we drive all over the campground, and it's really, really fun. So we've got lots of seminars and lots of interesting things. Of course, some games and stuff like that. So how do you get reservations? Well, I went ahead and reserved the entire wagon wheel, which I did last year. And so if you want to be in the big middle of everything, we have a few spots in the wagon wheel for anybody, first come, first serve. You just have to email me. My email is right here below me, and I'll also put it down in the description of this video. So I just take first come, first serve, put you in a slot, and then once that's full, you can go on to the Texas State Park and Wildlife reservation system and reserve a spot anywhere in the campground. There's all sorts of different types of campground, like loops. One of them is like a tent only, one of them is water and electric, and one of them I think is full hookups. They also have yurts, which are very primitive, basically just tents on a wooden platform, but I believe they have beds and things like that in them. So whatever works for you, there's probably accommodations there. If camping isn't your thing and you want to stay in a motel or a bed and breakfast, it's right outside of a town called Buffalo Gap, and I do believe there's a couple of bed and breakfast kind of things there, maybe even an Airbnb. Or Abilene is about 20 minutes away, and of course every kind of hotel you could ever want would be there. So even if you're not a camper, it doesn't mean you can't come. Oh, and I wanted to mention, the state park does charge a day use fee, so whether or not you're camping or just coming in for the day, I believe it's $5 a day, so keep that in mind. If you have a Texas State Park pass, they waive that fee. So I highly recommend you get one of those if you live in Texas and you camp a lot. I think the park pass is about $75 a year, so it pays for itself in just a couple of camping trips. The Texas State Park system has a 5-month rolling reservation window. So if you want to reserve a site for October 20th, you'll be able to do that beginning May 20th. So that's why I'm putting this video out now, is because that window is about to open. So again, first come, first serve. Last year we sold out the entire park. Now if you want to go earlier than or stay later than the event, a lot of people did that last year. Feel free to just make your reservations there through the Texas State Park reservation system. So if you're pretty sure you want to come, make reservations as soon as possible. And if something happens down the road and you find out that you can't come, please cancel that reservation so it'll open it up to someone else. I know last year a lot of people just didn't show up and didn't bother to cancel it, so there was empty sites in the state park that could have been utilized for somebody that wanted to be there. So if you are going to be staying in the wagon wheel, the way you pay for that is you can just PayPal me. If you PayPal me, it's $20 for the 3 nights. That includes a little PayPal charge that they charge. Or if you want to mail me a check or a money order, you can do that to my P.O. box, which I will link below, and that would be $18. So it's basically $6 a night, and like I said, if you're going through PayPal, just add a couple bucks for that PayPal charge that they do. So hopefully I will see you all on October 20th through the 23rd at Lolapalooza 2022. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope to see you there. But thanks so much for watching. Stay lost, my friends, and we'll see you at Lolapalooza. And somebody's mowing their dang yard. Why? Why are you mowing the parking lot over there? Seriously, just a dude on a lawnmower driving through the parking lot. He's driving it down the street. Okay, this is funny. Alright, carry on.